Hey. Oh, hey, Chip. I'm so happy to be back together again. Oh, God. All right. This is going to be great. We are going to be famous again. We're going to meet all of the famous celebrities that are out now. Oh, I can't wait to meet so many people. And our names are going to be in lights. Oh, it's going to be great. Hey, everybody out there. Ah! Whoa! Doing, 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 doing. Thumper! Hey, Thumper! Hey, it's been a long time. How you doing? Oh, guys, I've been waiting to see you for almost 30 years. There's trouble in the pumpkin patch. The pumpkin patch? Yeah, somebody took all of the fruits and hid them inside of the grass. We haven't been able to eat. Well, it's a good thing that America brought us back again, together at last. We'll help, Thumper. Oh, thanks, guys. It's good to see you back. All right. There's not a job too small or a job too big. Let's go to work, Dale. I found one! Oh, can you identify the fruit? It is a apple! Apple. Raspberry! Oh, Dale! Dale, I'll give you something later to eat when we fix the garden and find all of the missing fruits. Whoa! Here you go, Dale. Oh, it's a carrot! Yum! Orange! Orange! Oh, we're swimming in the grass. Oh! Oh, we ran into the banana. The banana. Good job, Dale. Banana. Banana. Ooh, I'm floating on a banana. Dale. All right. Don't have much time. Pear. 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 Hey, you guys saved the day! Of course, because we're rescue rangers! Stay tuned to see what our next challenge is! Together at last!